Hi, James here. Today we're going to set up your WP Engine account. If we're at this stage, then we have agreed to build you a website and we're really excited about it. Step one is to get hosting set up. So this is where your website's going to live. It's going to have an address online, that is your domain, but then it needs a space to live at, storage, to have all the information stored at. So this is what we're setting up for you today. Now, we would have emailed you a link or sent you a link somehow, which would have brought you to this screen that we're looking at currently. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see that there are different pricing plans. We're gonna select the startup pricing plan. It says $22, that's for annual, but you can do either annually or monthly. Go ahead and hit get started. Now on the left, we're gonna adjust some of the information here. So under subscription right here, you have the choice of annual, which you get 2 months free, and you have the choice of monthly, which is $30. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just do the monthly at $30. There is a discount and you will get 10% off for the first month. So let's keep scrolling. In these queries right here, you're gonna fill out your information. So your company name, your email address that you want this account to be associated to if you're doing a password reset, or any technical data that needs to come in from WP Engine regarding your account, it'll be sent to this email. Your first name, your last name, the data center, keep it at United States. Your account name is just the name of your account. It doesn't matter what this is. Usually we'll try to put the name of the business, the name of the site that we're building. After that, you have the billing info. Just fill out the cardholder's name, credit card information, billing address, state, city, zip code, standard information. Then select I read and agree to the terms of services and privacy policy and hit create my site. It's that simple. And what's going to happen next is WP Engine is going to send you an email where you'll have to click activate my account. And once you click activate my account, it's going to have you reset your password. Once your password is reset, you can use the email address that you have noted here in your account setup, type in the password that you've just created, and then you'll be able to log into your account. Once you've created your account, you're going to go to my.wpengine.com. Spelled like this, my.wpengine.com. This will take you to your user portal. Once you're here, you're gonna type in the email that you signed up with, click next, then the password that you signed up with, and then hit sign in and log in. You may automatically be logged in because you just created your account, but in case you're not, this is what you'll do. Once you're inside, you'll be shown this screen. Now you won't have any sites here like I do. You won't have anything there currently. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna give me access for my account so I can go into your account and create the website and make edits. So the way you do that is on the left-hand toolbar, you're gonna click users, and then under users, you're gonna click account users. And then at the top right, you're gonna select add user. You're gonna type in my name, James, my last name, Wadala. And then under email, james@cranecreatives.com. Under account access, you're gonna select full with no billing. That means I'm gonna have access to make all the technical edits, the WordPress edits, the website edits, everything, but I won't have access to any billing or payments. Once you select full with no billing, hit create user, I'll be notified and I'll then have access. And that's it, we're done. And I can start building your website right away. Thanks.